Hey guys, today seemed like it was Furnace Friday. I came across a name brand that I had never seen before, Borg and Warner. Actually, it said produced by the York division of Borg and Warner. I've never seen that before. But I've got 4 furnaces. I'm gonna try to put them together quickly, and I had to work up some estimates on 3 of them. So I'm gonna put this together. Stay tuned, and when I get done showing you these, I'll tell you some of what happened. Yes, ma'am. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I was seeing. This little yellow light, when it fires up, it should be solid, and it was blinking. That's my flame sensing light. Alright, that light, when it senses a flame, should come on and stay lit. So we're going to see about cleaning that flame sensor and see if I don't rectify that.
You already made the same thing.
Completely unable to get that back in without removing this. I got that switched to microamps DC. And this is my wire to my flame sensor, and I'm touching the flame sensor. That light solid. Alright, 3 microamps is a little bit low, but as you saw, my flame sensor light stayed lit. Once again, this has a flame sensor light. Let's watch it and see what it does. Same thing. Something else I noticed. That I'm gonna quote them replacing this whole piece right here. Even though I took the screws out, that would not come out. I almost had to take the gas line loose just to get this flame sensor out. And when I got it out, y'all see how that wire has been pinched down in here? And all right, we're going to check microamps on this now that we've cleaned the flame sensor. And once again, it's at about 3 microamps. I thought I would mention how these flame sensors work, and it's not obvious, but the board sends a very weak signal through to the flame sensor, and I got that hooked up there for temporarily. It sends a weak signal through the flame sensor that is AC voltage. And when it goes through the flame actually rectifies the signal and goes to ground. So this board is looking for a weak DC signal from ground. That's actually how that works. And if you don't have a good ground, which on this one I think is right here, some boards have a screw that have like a ground symbol on the board, and that particular screw has to be grounded or else it's not going to pick up a flame. This one has another ground supplied through the plug. Right now, because that's not rusted through this other piece, I think we're okay leaving it for the short term, but we are going to have to come back and replace that. One thing I always do is when the blower comes on, I watch the flames, and I'm fixing to go get a carbon monoxide detector and check the vents real quick. We have an old Borg and Warner. I'm not sure these things are even still made. Oh, it's like I'm hearing something. Can y'all hear that? I'll try to turn up the volume when I hit it. But no, maybe it's just the coil buzzing. Let's see if we can see how old this is. 120,000 BTUs. I wonder, York must have split off from Borg and Warner. I don't see a date on that. I do have a pilot but it does not look like it's anywhere near where that thermocouple looks like it is. Let's see if I can show you. See if I can show you all what I saw up in there. See what I mean? That is rusted, and I think I hear water dripping in my flue pipe. Okay, that's about as close up as I can get, but that flame is not hitting that thermocouple. This right here is a flare nut wrench. Turn this. Yeah, this is a, I think it's 7/16 and 3/8 flare nut wrench. There's just barely any room to work in there. That right there, it looks like it's a seam and not a crack. I'm really trying to get right on that right there. I'm looking in the top. I swear. Gas turned off. I don't feel totally comfortable fixing this thing and getting it running. I'm gonna have to pull all this out and
vacuum out the burner compartments. I did vacuum out one of them and I didn't see anything. Here's that pilot assembly. I think that's the right one. Yeah, that's it. All right, let's get a screwdriver and do low voltage. I just happen to have that board in my van. Come on. I reuse these little snap-in tabs. I don't ever I cut the ones off the new board and I reuse what's there. I don't have a lot of room to work in here. I'm going to jump from red to white. Hold on a second, let me get my meter out. Alright, we gotta wait on that time delay. Alright, I turned this blower on too fast. I didn't let it cool off. And that little limit up there opened up and I wasn't getting power to my gas valve. So I got turn the fan on and make sure it's cool.
Okay, those two smaller furnaces that I showed you, I got approval to come back, replace the flue pipes, and do a combustion analysis and preventive maintenance. The Borg and Warner, I warned them that it could be a replacement, but I got authorization to replace the pilot assembly, clean it all out, and then do a combustion analysis on that one. So I still don't know if that one's going to be replaced, but I did get approval for about 7 hours of labor and all that, and the flue pipes. So turned out to be a good day. I generated some more work. Y'all stay tuned. I've got that fan tour that I'm probably going to post tomorrow. By the way, I am working tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.